Cook hip lift. All right, on this exercise, we're going to have Jared pull his knee all the way into his chest as close as he can in order to lock out that lumbar spine from getting any arching when we do this hip extension. So pull that knee in real close to the chest, pull the heel in close to the body, and then he's going to drive from his heel, drive that heel into the ground to push his hips up and go through full extension. We're going to get a stretch on the hip flexor, we're going to get activation from the glute, and we're going to keep that lumbar nice and flat by locking that leg in. And that's the Cook hip lift.